today's video, I'll be installing this wig that YOLOVA Hair sent me. In the package, they sent me some wig caps, some lashes, some tweezers. You know, we love a good goodie bag. We love some goodies. So this wig is their 5x5 99J lace closure wig. It is 24 inches long and 180% density. Also, I've never tried 99J. Also, this is my first closure wig. Okay, YOLOVA, this is my first closure wig. So I just want to say thank you and shout out to them for sending me this wig and letting me install it for them. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. Let's get into this install. In order to get this install started off correctly, you know we want to start with our foundation. So we need to bleach them knots. So what I use to bleach my knots is my L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder, along with my 30 and 40 volume developer from the Clear Out brand. Also mixed with my Adore Platinum hair color. I think this helps with the brassiness. I don't know who I remember seeing do this, but I do this step all the time, and I mix it all together and I slap it on that lace. Okay, now y'all know y'all see me mixing, adding. If it's not thick enough, just add a little bit at a time. You don't want it super thick, but we for sure don't want it sliding or too loose because it will over bleach your knots, and that's not a look we're going for. So we want it a little bit thicker consistency, like pancake mix, you know, like nice and fluffy. Bleach to your knots, you want to be light-handed. You want to apply it, but you don't want to press it. So light-handed, just like a little bit of pressure. You want it to stick, but you don't want to really be mushing it through the lace, because that's another thing that's going to make it, you know, over bleach the knots. And then I like to leave this on. 30 minutes is perfect for me. Like, the knots come out perfect, and y'all gonna see these knots came out perfect. 2021. We done really stepped up our game. We are not using medium brown lace, and we are not using super dense hairlines. Like, we just trying to make our lives easier. You feel me? We just trying to make it easier. So when you are plucking, you want to start a 1/2 inch behind the hairline and pluck a little bit at a time. Because if you start in the front, you're going to over pluck, and then, baby, it's nothing you can do. Then you got to keep in mind that lace sheds. Do not over pluck because lace sheds. tell me I did not melt that lace, baby. Like, I gave what the girls were supposed to give. I gave it. I did that. And that's on point blank and period. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Literally.
We're thinking about you and wishing you a lot of good stuff coming your way. Love you.
All right, y'all. So I want to apologize for the background noise as I'm talking, but I finally finished installing the wig, and I just want to say that I absolutely love everything about this wig, from the texture, the lace, the way it performed. The knots bleached beautifully. Like the lace performed beautifully. Like, baby, we are looking laid. Like I said, this wig is from YOLOVA Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But this is what this is the name of their company, YOLOVA Hair, and they sent me this wig. It is a 99J. This is their 99J. 24 inches, 180% density, and she is exactly that. I love 180% density because it's not too full, not too thin. And yes, she is just perfect for the fall weather. Like, the color is beautiful, the hair texture is beautiful, like everything about this wig is A1. I most definitely will continue working with them in the future. Like, if it's gonna be like this quality right here, baby, this feels great. I absolutely have no problem even like ordering their stuff, but I do appreciate them sending to me. YOLOVA, thank you for giving. And if I'm pronouncing it wrong, please let me know. Please let me know, because the girl, I cannot talk, okay? I cannot talk. But yeah, absolutely love this hair. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to work with me. I really appreciate it. I mean, to work with y'all. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to work with y'all. I really appreciate it. You guys, I also have like a discount code that I'm gonna put down below. So, you know, if you want some good hair, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and slide by them. Also, I'm gonna mention the details one more time. 99J, 24 inches, 180% density. Also, you guys, this is a closure wig. Also, you guys, this is my first closure wig. So, I'm just saying, like, this is a good experience for my first closure wig. And also, like, my first time trying this hair color and this hair company. Wow, it's the first time for a lot of things today. Today is a good day. Yes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this install as much as I enjoyed installing it for y'all, sharing it with y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Don't forget to click the description down below if you want to purchase this hair or any of their hair. Like, you know what I'm saying, any of their hair. Please feel free, let me know if you try any of their hair, because I want to you know, I want to hear what y'all got to say too. Yes, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Have a blessed day.